In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Microsoft Sway. Microsoft Sway is a versatile tool for creating interactive presentations and engaging digital stories, and embedding a video can significantly enhance your content, making it more dynamic and captivating for your audience. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can add videos smoothly and effectively. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Sway website. You can type Microsoft Sway into your search bar and then click the official link, which is usually sway.office.com or sway.microsoft.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're new to Sway, click on Get Started or create an account by providing your email, setting a password, and completing the registration steps. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you may be signed in automatically. Before moving on, make sure you have the video you want to add ready. This can be a video from YouTube or another supported platform. Copy the video's embed code or URL so it's handy when you start inserting it into your Sway. Having this prepared will make the process much smoother. Now that you're signed in and ready, either open an existing Sway project or create a new one. Navigate to the section of your storyline where you want the video to appear. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the card in that location. Clicking this icon allows you to add new content to your presentation. From the menu that appears, select the Media option. Within Media, choose Embed. This is the feature that allows you to incorporate videos and other external content directly into your Sway. Paste the embed code or URL you copied earlier into the designated field in the storyline card. Once added, your video will appear seamlessly within your Sway presentation, ready to play for viewers. Finally, take a moment to preview your Sway. Check that the video displays correctly, functions as expected, and complements your other content. Previewing ensures that your presentation flows naturally and that all embedded media works without issue. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Microsoft Sway project, enhancing its interactivity and making your storytelling more engaging. Happy creating, and remember to explore all the other tools and features Sway offers to make your presentations even more impactful. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.